Okay, I'm going to introduce the append and prepend function. We're still working with jQuery and going to create an ordered list here. So OL tab and LI tab, and I'm just going to put 3 list items there. Gonna title them 1, 2, 3. And just so we don't forget how to create the functions, I put some script tags down there. I still have the button with the class button there and 2 script tags there, and then we have the jQuery link above there. And remember, we always start with a $document dot ready, and then parentheses function, and then parentheses space over 1 time, then curly brackets, then enter. And just to kind of notate out what that is, a document.ready is equal to when the page loads, and function is always going to be equal to do the following or do this. So that's how that reads. So now we got to tell it what we want it to do. So we're going to start that part now. So again, we always start with a $, and parentheses, and we're going to use dot button because the button class is button, so we can use dot button there with parentheses, dot click, and then again we're going to put function, parentheses, space over 1, curly brackets, and enter. And if we wanted to notate that part out, we would just say dot button dot click is equal to when the button is clicked. That's what that's saying. And as always, function is equal to do the following. So when the button is clicked, do the following. And again, now we have to tell it what we want it to do when the button is clicked. So on the next line here, again, $, parentheses, quotation marks, and now we're going to tell it ordered list dot append. And append means to add to the list, basically. And what are we going to add to the list? We're going to add another item. So in this case, LI, or another list item, LI, and I called it 4. You can call it whatever you want, and then close the list item there. And then Control S to save. And basically, you can open it now, and when you click the button, another list item will appear, just like that. And you say, well, how? That's not very useful. Keep saying number 4. Well, if you continue watching these videos, I'll show you how this will be useful further down the line. So basically, to notate it, ol.append is equal to create another list item, and that's a list item below there. It's 4. So that is the append function. And just to show it to you one more time, there it is. And there's also a prepend function that we could use exactly the same way, but the list item will appear in the front instead of the back. So we can just say prepend and remove the A. Control S to save. And then when we right click and open it up, the 4 will appear at the front instead of the rear. Just like that. So that is the append and prepend functions in jQuery. And keep on watching, we'll keep learning.